नमस्कार. गोमंतक टीव्हीच्या साष्टीकार ह्या कार्यावळीत तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. आम्ही म्हणटाले की थोडो तेंप रावात थोडे करून आमच्या इलेक्शनाच्या हाका मजा येतली. आनी आतां तर शोधेचो डायलॉग मारपाक जाल्यार सगळे हातूंत अब आएगा मजा म्हणटा सद्या सिच्युएशन आमचे भितर आसात. दोतोर क्लिओफातो कुतिन्हो. दोतोर येवकार तुका. दोतोर आमी हाजे पयलीं हांगा मेळ्ळ्यात तेन्ना आमी हें करताले कोण रावतलो काँग्रेस कोणाक दवरतलो कोण प्रोबेबल आसा. आतां सगळें क्लियर जालां. पल्लवी फॉर हे आमचे BJP इन साऊथ गोवा, कॅप्टन फॉर काँग्रेस RGPचो आज भरता आमचो रुबर्ट परेरा आनी आनीक 3 जाण म्हण तूं एक इंडिपेंडंट रावतले. पूण इंडिपेंडंटाक व्हडलो हे काय नासतले. मेन प्लेयर हे 3 जाण आसतले. सो आतांच जर सिच्युएशन पळयलें तुका कितें दिसता?
चोय 2 वस्तू. एक म्हळ्यार पार्टी आनी दुसरी म्हळ्यार कॅन्डिडेट. BJPची पार्टी इज फुल्ली ऑर्गनायज्ड. काँग्रेस पार्टी इज नॉट ऑर्गनायज्ड.
इवन ऑर्गनायझेशन आसा काय ना म्हणटा
बिकॉज कितें जाल्लें तेंगे ऑर्गनायझेशन इज ऑलवेज MLA सेंट्रीक. MLA गेलो ऑर्गनायझेशन गेलें अशें पार्टीची दशा आसा. सेकंड इज द कॅन्डिडेट. नाव दे हॅव ब्रॉट Pallavi Dembo. They are telling us that everybody is together. Naren Savaikar, Babu Kavlekar are all on her platform. That shows that the party is showing some sort of unity. Pun muge bhashen among the Karyakartas there is lot of discomfort. There is also anger among some because she has been thrust on the constituency, thrust on their head. As far as Viriato is concerned, according to me, he is the right candidate for the Congress party, best candidate for the constituency also, because Southak has been always wanting to protect Goa. All the agitations against environment degradation, जावं ते coal, double tracking, Tanmar line, conversions, against anything, the lead has been from the South. South has been there to protect Goa. I would say at one time they even opposed the Konkan railway. Now when they opposed the Konkan railway, they never opposed the railway as such, but they said don't disturb the villages, take the line through the hinterland. That way, according to me, they did not want to disturb the villages. And Viriato comes from that background. He has been an activist. Secondly, he has been from the armed forces. He has got a Vijay Star award during the Kargil war. So if you look at even from a ultra nationalist perspective, I would say Viriato is the right candidate for South Goa. But I never thought that there would be so much enthusiasm around the candidate. Third is Magdishilne, it is 50-50. I ek TV level sangile 50-50 phone. Today I find that Congress party is in a good fight.
काल हांव तुका दोन कंपॅरिजन करता. पयर आमच्या हाणें भरले कोणे पल्लवीन भरले नॉमिनेशन्स. काल विर्यातान भरले. दोन्ही कडेन गर्दी केल्ली. पूण तूं म्हणटा तसो एन्थुजियाझम मोर विथ विर्यातो.
पयर पट डेम्पो के जाला that is display of power because chief minister came, ministers came, total display of power. Kalche is display of people
and spontaneous.
Yes, it was spontaneous. I never expected that all of them would be there. Like I was very happy to see all of them come together.
आणि तीन वरां वता उबी रावले.
ते सोड Venzi आशिल्लो, Cruz Silva आशिल्लो, Vijay आशिल्लो. Besides this, I saw Zé Philip. I was told, I don't know, Babashan was there.
Babashan was there, yeah.
I was told that Pau Slip Dorad was there.
Yes.
Now, if you look at this, it looks like Congress of the old. पहिले तेंगेले 10 जाण गेले, मागीर पयर 8 जाण गेले. सो म्हाका लेगून दिसोंक ना they would have the will to fight. But it looks like they are in a fight, and a great fight. Now, I am muge bhasha ani ek sangbache ha. Look at the Congress party. They have almost nobody with them. Nobody means
only two MLAs.
Leader of opposition
and KP MLA.
KP MLA and a young Amit Patkar. There is Vijay Sardesai, who was quiet last time in 2019. Venzi and Cruz Silva are also in a fight. Because see, these are young people. They are first time MLAs, except Vijay. And they have to prove. Looks like they have a great future if they can show that we won the South Goa seat. For them, for the first time MLAs. As far as Vijay is concerned, I feel Vijay has realized there is a huge vacuum in the Congress party. And that vacuum, according to me, he is trying to fill. And secondly, he cannot afford a lead for BJP in his backyard, in Fatorda. Look at Alton. His first time. He has to protect his fort. Yuri has to protect his fort. According to me, Yuri has an additional responsibility of Sangye. Because he was there, he was earlier contesting from Sangye. So he has some sort of a following there, some contacts there.
Even Kochare.
Yes. So a big responsibility is on these young people. And if they can make it, they will really shine in the next assembly elections. See, last time, after 10 MLAs won, Digambar almost took over the party. Because there was nobody. He, and after Babu Kavadekar left, he took over everything. And somehow the South saw future in him. This time, according to me, if these people can display the same enthusiasm, they have a great future.
Sir, what about, Salsette is always stood with Congress. Some ek-don questions shoulder. What about Murgaon? Because last time, though this one, Savekar, tari Murgaon constituency, means Murgaon Taluka, 4 constituencies, except Koltali had given him a substantial lead. So that was a one side type of solace for OAM.
Correct.
Now Viriato is from Daboli. He is contesting, and Koltali will also, I believe, support Viriat. So what will be the?
When you come to South Goa, Amge Tukle ek kide ha, South Goa is Salsette. And no doubt about it, because that is the heartland.
And 18 constituencies.
Yes, heartland of South Goa. And that substantial lead which you get in Salsette takes you through the hinterland votes. But this time, there is an opportunity for Murmugaon to show that we stand by our person. Don't forget that coal is their problem. Of course, it is everybody's problem, but they face it more. Sankalp built his image based on that agitation. He was on the forefront. There may have been many other accusations, but as far as public is concerned, Sankalp was seen as a fighting force against the against the agitation. And
that's why they defeated Mirin Naik.
Yes, yes. One, and now, according to me, the candidate being from Murmugaon, it would be a great advantage.
And he means even Daboli, though Movin wins, then he has given a good fight at that time.
Besides that, see, he has a activist image. His original group is also that of people who are activists. So I somehow feel that this time Murmugaon will not get the same lead as last time.
So that means BJP is in little worried position.
Sorry, Muge Bashin.
Because there are Daji asa, asa amso, Movin asa, to Sankalp nahi mila Sankalp.
Correct, but look at last time. 8-10 जण गेले. After the 2014 10 जण गेले. Did it affect much in the last elections? No. Okay. कोण आशिल्ले बरोबर? दोनच मनीस आशिल्ले. It was Digambar and Babu Kavadekar, who you can say have substantial following in the south, who have little pan-constituency image, or little beyond their constituency. But they delivered south. But that is what I am trying to say, that as far as...
So you are discarding that MGP factor?
I am not discarding at all. I will come to that.
Yeah.
Last time, every time Congress wins, or every time they win, they do not win because of their organization or the leaders. I feel it is people who make them win.
Okay.
You look at 2009, 2014 and 2019, the Congress share has gone up.
Okay.
Even when Reginald lost, Congress had increased its vote share, has increased the number of votes. But what happened at that time was, there was Churchill in the fray, AAP was there, the candidate was not backed by the Congress party. When Reginald was a candidate, I would say he had a great chance to win, but the party did not back him. And whatever votes Reginald got is what people wanted to defeat Naren Savaikar. People wanted to defeat BJP, but it did not happen. And that is the vote, about 1,44,000 votes, which Reginald got, despite the Congress opposing him. Congress leaders. He was on a Congress ticket, but many Congress leaders opposed him.
AAP and Churchill, around 35,000.
30,000, yes, I have the list with me. About 30,000 vote was out.
Yeah. Plus Nota.
Nota was there, yes.
Around 7,000.
Correct. Last time, this one, our Elvis Gomes took about 20,000 votes. So that vote is intact now. Let us come to your Ponda. Ponda, according to me, in the entire Ponda Taluka and Dharmanada, I expect BJP to take a 30,000 plus lead. I am almost visualizing a 30,000 plus lead in this.
You are excluding Sangay from that?
Yeah, I am excluding Sangay. Dharmanada and Ponda. That is because I don't see organization there. And whatever votes they will get is the vote which otherwise would go to the Congress candidate. So that is how. But that 30,000 plus could be wiped out if Salset gives a huge lead. Now your Kepe, I feel, see, Babu Kavadekar has always won on the Congress ticket. Babu Kavadekar lost on the BJP ticket. Alton is a MLA there. Alton cannot afford a lead to be given to BJP. There may be a lead, but it cannot be substantial. If there is a substantial lead, then he will be on back foot. Similarly, like Fatorda, I expect Congress to get a lead there. because BJP getting a lead would put Vijay in back foot. But there may be, say, it could be 50-50. KPN could be 50-50. It could be 55-45, either side. But still, they
equal.
would. Yes, yes. Now, as far as Sangay, I feel that BJP will get a lead, substantial lead. It may not be substantial. That is because I expect Yuri to do work there because it is his old constituency. In Kurchare, Patkar has to work and work hard. Work hard because next time he has set his eyes on the constituency and he has got the candidate Viryato with a big fight with the High Command. So according to me, he has to put in efforts. I expect Benauli and Velin to be almost a sweep. Kunkoli has to be delivered by Yuri, and if Patkar and Yuri cannot deliver their constituencies, they themselves would be in trouble. So according to me, it is in their interest that they work hard. They cannot allow their forts to be given away.
What about Margaon?
Margaon, whatever you say, I think BJP will take a lead.
How
much I am unable to tell you. That I don't think anybody can say that. But they would get a lead. But it depends upon how much work the Congress party does. But I expect. But on the whole, I think it is a good fight.
Yeah.
Both have a fighting chance.
Doctor, I mean, the Congress and BJP, there is अनेक factor हा म्हणतो RG. So what you feel this time? And last time they have done the good show.
Yeah.
10% vote share in a first attempt it is a tremendous.
Any party to be in the reckoning has to hit 15% and above. Today, why do we say BJP has no chance in Tamil Nadu except the Coimbatore seat? Because they are about 3%. Now, unless they reach 15%, they are not considered as a party in the reckoning. RG's 10% last time, I don't expect them to retain the same this time. I expect them to come down to something like 5%. Somehow, my view is that there is no third place in a Lok Sabha contest except when you are extremely influential. Extremely means extremely influential. We have seen this with all contests last time. I mean, last time take Elvis. He was the AAP candidate. AAP was doing well throughout the country, got 20,000 votes. That is because AAP was not seen as winning. If you are not seen as winning, then you are out of the race. You should be seen as winning. Or you are seen as a spoiler. No, I am not saying AAP is a spoiler. It is their right to contest. It is their it's a right to contest. They will contest. It is a party. When it is said that they are splitters. Nothing wrong in that, because that is a strategy of the Congress party so that their vote does not go the other side. Similarly, AAP will say that Congress is a splitter because they will want to take their vote. So these are election strategies. Nothing wrong in branding the other party as a splitter or a spoiler of their vote.
Doctor, tu Tamil Naduचा example दिला म्हणूनच तुका एक हे करता. What do you feel about the national scenario?
See, national scenario, BJP seems to be in a pole position, but that is the narrative that is sold to us. See, finally, elections is all about propaganda. Their propaganda is doing well, and you media are also selling that propaganda to us. So at this stage, I am accepting that propaganda and saying that they are in a pole position.
It may be same position of South Goa. South Gowa मंडल की BJP योशी जिंकता. Now ground reality is different.
Yes. Reality is different. And that is what is said throughout the country, that BJP may not even get 272 seats. This is what is in some corners. But so much of mind game has been won by BJP, that I still say that they are in the lead.
But they will penetrate in the South India. Penetration or existence.
I said it earlier and I am saying it now. South India starts from South Goa.
Okay.
Now, how much they will penetrate, let us see. But it has been difficult for them. They had good innings in Karnataka once, but now it looks difficult. In Andhra, they are having an alliance with a party whose chief called Narendra Modi a traitor. But again, when it comes to number of seats, they will do anything. So that way, Telugu Desam is expected to do well. But I don't expect BJP to do well.
Okay. Yeah.
But they are a great war machine, election machine. When it comes to election, they fight it as a war.
Yeah. Doctor, तू एनालिसिस्ट आणि सगळं हे ते सगळे सोडून एक सादो साऊथ गोंयचो वोटर अशें धरून तुजे कडून साऊथ गोवा कोण जिखता? Straight question.
Straight question. This question is difficult to answer at this stage. But I put, say, Viriato at 52-48 at this stage. Sometime back I put 50-50. I am putting 50-48.
So
very
so your
close.
Mind is little bit inclining towards BJP. Inclining means but you are from heart. Heart is with
all that I see, not from my eyes. I felt that these people would not be in a position to face the electorate with that kind of the type of organization they have. I thought they would not be in a position to do it. But full marks to these young people. They are putting up a show.
Okay. So आशिल्ले आमचे दोतोर क्लिओफात दोतोर आमी हांवान एक म्हजो सांगाती गौरांक हे करतालो जेन्ना बदललो तेन्ना आमी हेच म्हणटाले की जेन्ना गोल ओपन आसता दुसरे वटेच्यान कोण नासतना गोल मारप इजी आसता. जेन्ना थंय प्लेयर येतात तेन्ना तुका कळटा तूं गोल कशें मारता तें. सो आतां दोनूय कडेन प्लेयर आसात आनी ते म्हणल्यार अशें म्हणल्यार कितें एक अर्जेंटिना दुसरी इंडिया न्ही. दे आर बोथ विथ द इक्वल अशें हे आसात. सो हे म्हणटा तशें की आतां कोण जिखतले कोण जिखचे ना हे आमकां ज्या दिसा इलेक्शनाचो रिजल्ट येता तेन्ना कळटलो.
But one more thing I will say, the opposition does not have the kind of resources which the BJP has.
But it looks like म्हणजे जर पळयलें न्ही इट्स there they have a resources. Here they have intellectual. Because ज्या तरेन answer दिला.
She put a very poor show. See, South Goa does not expect this to be reflected in Parliament. She put a very poor show in answering those questions fielded by a journalist.
So आमी म्हणटाले तशें की आतां खरो रंग चडपाक लागला. ज्या दिसाक वोटींग जातलें तेन्ना आजचो जर हे पळयल्यार ते कोणा वटच्यानय जावं पूण लोक भायर येतले आनीक वोट करतले अशें आतां दिसपाक लागला. सो ह्याच हाजेर आमी ही चर्चा थांबयतात. आतां जिखतलो कोण हरतलो हे ज्या दिसा रिजल्ट जातले कळटलें. पूण एक मात खरें की ह्या फावटी सामको काटेकी टक्कर ही सावथ गोंयांत तर जावपाक शकता. आनीक सेम आय थिंक खलपाक नॉर्थ गोवाक जो हे मेळटा थंय
good response. He is getting good response.
It is, I think it's not a one-sided game. So हाजेर आमी ही चर्चा थांबयतात. पळयत रावात गोमंतक TV.